Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing 10 incredible WhatsApp tips and tricks that you probably didn't know about. These hacks will help you make the most out of your WhatsApp experience. Stay tuned to learn how to optimize your WhatsApp usage and take your messaging game to the next level. 1. Message formatting. WhatsApp allows you to format your messages to add emphasis and clarity. You can use specific symbols to apply different text styles. Use asterisk symbol to make text bold, e.g., bold. Use underscore symbol to make text italic, e.g., italic. Use tilde symbol to apply strike through, e.g., strike through. Formatting text in WhatsApp can help you convey tone and emphasis more effectively. By using these symbols, you can make your messages stand out and appear more structured. 2. Media visibility. You can control whether media, photos, and videos received in WhatsApp are automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Go to WhatsApp settings, chats. Toggle off the media visibility option. Disabling media visibility prevents WhatsApp images and videos from showing up in your phone's main gallery app. This feature helps maintain privacy and keeps your gallery organized. 3. Privacy settings. Customize your privacy settings to control who can see your personal information and activity on WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp settings, privacy. Adjust settings for last seen, profile photo, about, and status. Managing privacy settings allows you to control who can view your online status, profile picture, about section, and status updates. This helps you maintain your privacy and control your digital footprint. 4. Broadcast lists. Send messages to multiple contacts without creating a group chat by using broadcast lists. Go to WhatsApp chats. Tap on the three-dot menu and select New Broadcast. Add contacts to the broadcast list and compose your message. Broadcast lists enable you to send a message to multiple contacts simultaneously without creating a group chat. Each recipient receives the message individually, maintaining privacy. 5. Pin chats. Pin important chats to the top of your chat list for quick access. A long press on a chat. Tap on the pin icon that appears. Pinning chats ensures that important conversations stay at the top of your chat list, making them easily accessible without scrolling through other chats. 6. Reply privately in group chats. Respond to a specific message in a group chat privately. A long press on the message you want to respond to. Tap on More, three-dot menu, and select Reply Privately. This feature allows you to reply to a group message directly to the sender privately without cluttering the group chat. It's useful for one-on-one discussions within a group. 7. Mute chats. Temporarily mute notifications for individual chats or groups. Open a chat. Tap on the contact/group name. Select Mute Notifications and choose a duration. Muting chats prevents notifications from appearing for a specified period, reducing interruptions without leaving the chat or group. 8. Starred messages. Mark important messages for quick access later. A long press on a message. Tap on the star icon that appears. Starred messages serve as bookmarks for important information or messages within WhatsApp. You can easily find them later in the Starred Messages section. 9. WhatsApp Web. Access WhatsApp on your computer through a web browser. Visit web.whatsapp.com on your computer. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, WhatsApp Web. Scan the QR code displayed on the computer screen. WhatsApp Web allows you to send and receive messages from your computer. It syncs with your mobile app, enabling seamless communication across devices. 10. Export chat history. Save and export chat history for a specific contact or group. Open a chat. Tap on the contact/group name. Select Export Chat to save the chat history. Exporting chat history allows you to save conversations for record keeping or archival purposes. You can share these exports via other platforms or keep them as backups. By utilizing these WhatsApp features with a clear understanding of their functionalities, you can enhance your messaging experience, manage your chats efficiently, and maintain control over your privacy settings. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. I hope you found these WhatsApp tips and tricks helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite WhatsApp hack, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and social media content. Until next time, take care and stay connected.